As financial planners, we often work closely with corporate and commercial solicitors like you. So in this video, we're going to explore how a continuing professional relationship may be of use to both you and to us, and more importantly to our clients on an ongoing basis. In particular, when we're working with people such as your clients, we often work on helping them to sell their business. So we won't be involved in the process of selling the business, but we'll be involved in an important aspect which helps them to plan what they're going to do with their lives leading up to and after selling their business. More importantly, to work out how much they need to sell their business for to be able to be sure of having enough money and never running out. So while they come to you for the practical aspects of selling the business, we'll be helping them with the ongoing relationship of dealing with their lifestyle once that process has completed. We're a family-run business, and we put this at the core of our values in the way we run our business. We understand that trust is very important in a relationship between professionals such as you and us, and so we really work hard at keeping in touch and developing that relationship on an ongoing basis. It's not about the initial contact, it's about getting to know each other and working closely together for the mutual benefit of our clients in the long term. Ultimately, it's about providing the best service we can for our clients, because we work with them not just initially, but we work with them on an ongoing basis in the future. We work very differently to other financial planners you may know. Our Prosper service is designed to help clients through significant life-changing events. What we aim to do is to look at the fundamentals of their financial position. So we look at their income, their expenses, their assets and their liabilities. We put that together with some sensible assumptions about the future to help them to visualise where their money's going. Ultimately, what we want to show them is whether their money's going to run out at some point in the future. Once they have this security and this clarity, they will then want to look at alternative positions for their life. And so that obviously comes into play with the services that you're offering for your clients as well. Effectively, what we can then start to do is to look at alternative scenarios to show how, if they make changes now, they can have improvements to their lifestyle going forward. What we're aiming to do is put their lifestyle at the centre of their lives rather than their money, and we make the money work for them as part of the service. So we have a clear commitment to outstanding service and clarity of information that we give to clients. So just to give you a few examples of how we do things differently, we offer our investment philosophy on our website, and to all new clients we give them a detailed guide as to how and why we put together our investment portfolios, so they understand how we do things. Very importantly, we're able to give detailed information as to how our investments have performed in the past, and we're not aware of any other local advisors that do something like that, and we do that on an ongoing basis every 3 months. So we also give clients access through a secure portal to all their information that we hold on them. They can communicate with us securely, and they can get access to their investment valuations on a daily basis. And then finally, we take feedback from clients, and we've provided a new service where we give video financial plans. So they come in to see us, but they get a video of how that financial plan was put together, as well as the written report that you would expect in that situation. So if you're considering working with a financial planner, you'll be particularly interested in how professional we are, because it's a key part of the requirement for you to assess whether we're suitable for the clients that you service. So let me just go through some of those areas. So the first is that we're independent. We're not tied to any product providers in any way. We're not restricted in any of the products that we use. So we can look at the whole market for your clients. We're directly authorised. We have a direct relationship with our regulator. There are no third-party intermediary companies that we work through. We work directly with our regulator, and we take responsibility for the advice we give. We're highly qualified. Myself, I'm a certified financial planner, and I'm also a chartered wealth manager, as well as holding a law degree and qualifications in legal advice. So I'm more highly qualified than most advisors you'll come across. So we can help your clients in a number of ways through particular products such as investments, pensions, tax planning, those kind of things. But in particular, we often work with clients who are going through some sort of business change, such as succession or selling their business. So clearly you'll be involved with those clients through the transaction of the business sale. You'll work with other advisors such as their accountant or tax advisor, their business sale agent, and you'll be helping to advise them on the mechanics and the practicalities of that sale. Well, often we work with clients who are considering making a sale but are not quite sure if they're going to have enough money once they've made that once in a lifetime decision and that money is dropped into their bank account. So what we do is we work with them on their financial plan to establish how their lifestyle is now, and more importantly what they want their lifestyle to be in the future. And if there's a lump of money or an income coming in from that business sale, how that's going to change their lifestyle going forward. So in practical terms, we can help to show them if they're going to receive a lump sum of money, whether that's enough and whether they can go ahead with the sale, or if it's not quite enough, whether they need to renegotiate and develop their business to help generate more money to make sure that they're not going to run out of money in the future. So in turn, you're in a good position to help our clients. We get to know our business owner clients very well because we work with them on an ongoing basis, at least every 3 months throughout the year. So we get to understand when they're setting up businesses, when they're planning to exit businesses, and when key milestones are reached throughout their business life. So clearly you'll be on hand, we hope, to help through those particular changes in circumstances. So to advise them on commercial arrangements, to set up shareholder agreements, for example, to help them to negotiate buying businesses and selling businesses. So there's a variety of areas that you can help our clients with, and where we're not specialists enough, and we need to pass those over to a specialist who can deal with that for us. So hopefully this video has been a useful summary as to how a continuing professional relationship will be useful both to you and to us, and more importantly to our mutual clients. So if you're interested to find out more, there's a free mini guide below this video which explores the wider implications of exiting a business, both from a financial planning and from a legal perspective. But more importantly, I think we want to start a conversation with you. So if you'd like to find out more about how we work and explain more about your business, please give us a call, because we'd love to hear from you.